In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into a link in Notion. Turning text into a clickable link is one of those small skills that makes your pages in Notion look cleaner and feel more professional. Instead of pasting long, messy URLs directly into your notes or documents, you can hide them behind short, meaningful words. Let's walk through how to do this, step by step, in a simple and clear way. First, start by typing the text that you want to turn into a link. This could be anything: a word, a phrase, a title, or even a short sentence. For example, you might type something like project documentation, meeting notes, or view the full article. The key is to choose text that clearly describes where the link will take you. This makes your page easier to read and helps you quickly understand what each link is for later on. Once you've typed your text, the next step is to highlight it. To do this, place your cursor at the beginning of the text. Click, hold, and drag across to the end of the text you want to turn into a link. The selected text should now be highlighted. If you're on a keyboard, you can also hold down the Shift key and use the arrow keys to select the text. Make sure you only highlight the part you actually want to be clickable. With your text highlighted, look for the option to add a link. In Notion, a small formatting bar appears just above or near the selected text. On that bar, you'll see an option that says Add Link or an icon that looks like a chain link. Click on that. A small box will pop up where you can paste or type the web address you want to link to. This could be a website, a document, another Notion page, or any valid URL. Paste your URL into that box, then confirm by pressing Enter or clicking outside the box. Your highlighted text should now change slightly in appearance, usually with an underline or a different color, indicating that it's a clickable link. To double check, you can hover over the text and you should see the link preview, or click it to make sure it takes you to the correct destination. And that's all there is to it. Type your text, highlight it, click on Add Link, and insert your URL. With this simple technique, your Notion pages will look cleaner, more organized, and much easier to